Good morning, parents and students. So this is module number 8 entitled Solving Routine or Non-Routine Problems Involving Multiplication Without or with Addition or Subtraction of Fractions and Whole Numbers using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Okay? So, word problem. So, in answering word problem, merong mga questions na kino-consider before answering. So, here we have an example of a word problem given to us. Okay, so focus muna tayo dun sa problem. So here is the problem. Okay, Marlon earned 150 pesos by selling newspaper. If he puts 2/5 of his money in his piggy bank, how much did he save? Okay, so ito yung problem natin. So syempre after nyan, there are guide questions. So or we call it guided questions or guide questions. They're the same. Okay, so according to the module, there are 5 guided questions or guide questions. Number 1 is what is asked in the problem, what are given in the problem, what word clue would help you solve for the problem, the operation needed to solve for the problem, and yung number sentence. Okay, so yung pagsagot niyan, actually a new strategy being developed is what they call the UPS. Okay, they call it the UPS. Okay, so U, P, and then S. Okay, so here, sabi niyan, U means understand. Plan, solve. Okay, so yan yung kanyang acronym, UPS or UPS, or it's up to you kung anong tatawa sa kanya. And under understand, meron niyang dalawa. Okay, the first one is what is asked. The second one is what are given. So kung mapapansin niyo doon sa kanina natin, yun na yung mga naunang kanyang question. Under plan, meron din dyan dalawa. The first one is the operation. Okay. And number sentence. Okay. So using the number sentence, you can get the answer. And the last, which is solve, ito naman ay yung answer. Okay. So madaling salita, hinati lang siya sa tatlo, pero these are still the 5 basic questions na sinasagutan natin. A, given, operation, number sentence, and answer. Or, kung pagsasama-samahin natin yan, ang acronym niya ay AGONA. Acronym lang yan para pantulong sa atin. Dito, U, P, and then S. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to use this one, understand, plan, solve, or you can just go directly sa AGONA. It's up to you kung saan kayo magiging comfortable. Okay, so let us solve for the answer. Okay, solve natin siya. Paano ba natin siya sasagutin? Okay, so the number sentence there, yung ask pala, let's first answer the question dun sa ask. A, dyan ay syempre yung tanong doon sa problem, how much did he save? Okay, kung babalikan natin sa A, how much did he save? Sa given, so kapag sinabi natin given, next one is the given. Diba? Dala lang muna para mapakita natin. So ask is how much is his, or how much did he save? G, what are given. So the given numbers are 150, this one, and 2/5, this one. Ito. Okay, so 150 and then 2/5. Next operation. Ano daw ang operation? Actually, for you to get the operation, babalikan mo yung ano ba yung tinatanong? Tinatanong kung magkano daw yung kanyang naitabi or naitago sa kanyang piggy bank. So the operation there is multiplication. The number sentence is the combination of the given data or the given facts or the given numbers at ng operation. So, gawin natin para hindi kayo malito. Ask. Sa ask yan ay nakalagay is how much, capital, how much did he save? Okay, sa given naman, we have there, lagyan natin dito, baka makita kayo paano. Okay, so given ay yung 150 at yung 2/5. So let's put there 150 pesos or 150 pesos and 2/5. The operation is multiplication. Number sentence. Kapag sinabi mo number sentence, ito ay pinagsamang operation at given. Kasi pagkukumbine mo sila. So, 150 pesos times 2/5 equals n. So, ayan yung ating number sentence. And then, yung ating answer. Mamaya yan, sagot. Okay? So, again, ask is how much did he save? That is the given. The operation is multiplication. This is the number sentence and the answer. Or, katulad nga nung sa iba, kanina, itong dalawa ay you have to understand. Itong dalawa ay plan. At ito ay yung solve or UPS. Okay? So, either you use this or use this. It's up to you. Ano yung gusto ninyo? Kung saan kayo mas magiging comfortable. Okay? Remember that? Okay, so let us solve. Solve naman natin. Okay, so remember the number sentence is 150 times 2/5 equals n. Okay? Ano yun? Now, as you can see, ito ay whole number. Wala siyang numerator, wala siyang denominator. Ito naman ay fraction. Diba? Ano yan? Now, pwede naman nating tanggalin muna yung peso sign para hindi tayo malito. So, and then, kailangan lang natin siyang gawan ng numerator at denominator. Tandaan nyo ha, na the basic rule in multiplying fraction is numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. Ganyan lang yung formula sa pagkuha ng sagot. Kaya lang, dito nga sa example natin, ito walang numerator, wala siyang denominator. Unlike this one, kasi siya ay fraction, ito ay whole number. So, paano yan? Okay, ignore mo lang muna yung peso sign. So, you get 150. Kailangan magkaroon siya ng numerator at denominator. So, para magkaroon siya ng numerator at denominator, bigyan mo siya ngayon ng denominator. Yung number na siya mismo, siya na yung magiging numerator. Tapos, ang magiging denominator mo ay 1. Okay? Always yan, kahit anong number. You have to give a whole number a denominator which is always 1. Hindi pwedeng maiba. Kunyari, ang given mo ay 49. Yan ay magiging 49 over 1. Kunyari, meron kang 52. Yan ay magiging 52 over 1. Okay? Over 1 palagi ang magiging yung denominator. Okay? So, gawin na natin yan. So, pagpatuloy tayo sa lesson. Times 2/5. Okay? Sabi natin, multiply lang. Okay? Mas madali. So, ano ba yan? 150 times 2, you have 300 over 1 times 5, your answer is 5. Okay? 300 over 5. Pero kasi sa mathematics, hindi pwedeng final answer yan. In mathematics, kailangan laging naka-lowest term, yung laging pinakamababa. So, ito, improper fraction, hindi sa lowest term. So, kapag ganyan na nangyari, na the denominator is smaller than your numerator, kailangan tayong mag-divide. So, i-divide natin yan. Yan ay 300 divided by 5. Okay? So, ayan. Divide mo lang. Yung 300 na number, siya yung magiging number sa loob. At yung denominator na 5, siya yung magiging divisor. Okay? So, dahil yung 3 hindi pwedeng ipang-divide sa 5, kailangan natin ay 30. So, 30 divided by 5, ilang 5 meron sa 30? We have 6. And then, 6 times 5, we have 30. 30 minus 30, that's 0. Pwede mong i-bring down to for you. Parang naman to, 0 divided by 5, the answer there is 0. And then, 0 times 5, 0 pa din, subtract. So, wala na. Okay? So, therefore, your final answer is, ito. The final answer is 60. Okay? Ngayon, siyempre, dahil ayan ay tungkol sa pera, you can put there peso sign. Matik pa natin makakalimutan. So, magkano doon na-save niya? Ang na-save niya ay 60 pesos. Now, that is in multiplying. Pero, as you can see, ang laki ng number natin, no? 300, di ba? So, kailangan pa natin mag-divide. There is also a way for us to do that. Ano ba yun? Ganito. Okay? Same process. Pero meron lang konting technique na gagawin. Okay? So, ganun pa din. 150 over 1 times 2 over 5. This time, gagamit tayo ng GCF. Ano yung kung kanilang greatest common factor. Pero papaano? Yan ay pag ganun. Okay? So, yung dati, yon ay about multiplying. Dito, since maglo-lowest term tayo, paliliitin natin yung number, division ng ating operation. Okay? Sa multiplication yan, ha? Kapag ang ating original na operation ay multiplication, dito, cross cancellation or parang kukuha tayo ng GCF. Paano ba yon? The numbers you have are 150 and 5. So, sila yung pares. And then, we have 1 and then 2. So, sila yung pares. Kaya, parang pa ganun. Okay? Now, between 150 and 5, ano yung kanilang GCF? You think of a number na pwede nating ipang-divide sa kanila pareho. Okay? And that is 5. Kung tatandaan nyo yung ating divisibility rules, any number na nagtatapos sa 5 at 0, they are divisible by 5. Okay? So, magde-divide tayo ngayon. So, that would be 5 divided by 5. The answer is 1, correct? So, etong 5 na to, hindi na siya 5. Hindi na siya 5. So, instead of kanina na siya ay 5, cancel na yan. Siya na ay magiging 1. Okay? And then, 150 divided by 5, yan ay 30. So, pag yung 150 mo, hindi na yan 150. Yan ang ngayon ay 30. Okay? So, punta kami sa kabila. 1 and then 2. Since pareho naman silang para naka-lowest term na maliliit na number na, wala naman tayong ibang makukuha dyan na number pa. So, ano yung natira nating number? So, ang natira sa atin ay 50. 50, 1, 2, and then 1. Okay? For a while. Okay? So, ang natira sa atin na yun, yung mga may bilog. So, 30. Yan natin dito, 30. I-rewrite lang natin. over 1. Ito na yan. So, 30 and then 1 times 2 and then 1. Okay? So, multiply mo lang din. Pwede mo na katulad ng ginawa natin kanina na diretso multiply. Multiply, multiply. So, what will be your answer? Your answer will be 30 times 2, you have 60. And then, 1 times 1, you have 1. Oh, diba? 1 yung kanyang number. So, kapag tinanggal mo yan, i-divide mo yan, our answer still will be 60 pesos. Katulad ng answer natin kanina. This time lang, ito ay tayo ay nagpaliit na number, nag-cancel tayo. Kumamit tayo ng GCF. Okay? So, let's try. Okay? Ito yung ating lesson. You know? Yan yung solution. Diba? Dito kasi iba na yung ginawa niya kasi na ito ngayon ay multiply na. Ayun, ito ginawa din by 10. Okay. He saved 60 pesos. Okay. So let's try one of the examples here. Bukan natin. Ito. Number 1. Anselmo spent 6/8 of his time in morning studying math and science. He spent 1/4 of this time studying science. What fraction of the total time did he spend studying science? Okay? So, ito yun. So, ang given natin ay 6/8 and 1/4. So, solve natin. Okay. Pakita natin kung paano yung dalawa. So, yung isa ay 6/8 times 1/4. Okay. Pwedeng diretso multiply. 6 times 1 and then 8 times 4. So, 6 times 1, we have 6 over 8 times 4, 32. Okay? Now, since siya ay may common GCF na 2, divide mo sa 2, 6 divided by 2, you have 3. 32 divided by 2, you have 16. So, your answer is 3 over 16. Okay? Ito yung isang example. Pakita ko naman ulit sa inyo yung isang example natin, yung isang way na pagkuha ng sagot. Okay? So, we have here 6/8 times 1/4. Okay? Okay? Ganito yun, ha? Tignan natin. Silang dalawa. Okay? Kaya natin. Lunay sa dalawang ito, sa 6 and sa 4. Ano yung number na pwede nating ipang-divide sa kanilang dalawa? 4 and then 6. Diba? We can see na they are both even numbers. So, ang sabi natin sa divisibility rules na kapag ang mga number ay 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, they are divisible by 2. So, therefore, gamitin natin pang-divide ang 2. Pang-divide ay 2. Pang-divide ay 2. Okay? Tinabasa. Basta yan na ito, ha? Ulitin natin. Ano mo ito? Divide natin sa 2. Divide natin sa 2. Okay? So, 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. So, yung 4 mo, di na siya 4. Siya na ngayon ay magiging 2. 6 divided by 2, siya ay 3. So, ito ngayon ay magiging 3. So, ano natira? Sa 8 and 1, wala naman. So, ano natira sa atin? Ang natira sa atin ay 3, 8 times 1 and then 2. Okay, multiply. 3 times 1, you have 3. 8 times 2, you have 16. Okay? We can see na they are the same or they have the same answer. Okay? So, yan yon. All you need to do is just answer naman the problem. No need for you to find or write the GCF and no need for you to find the agona. Basta sagutan nyo na lang. Okay na yon. Para hindi na masyadong mahirapan. Okay, word problem. So ito yung steps. Okay. Then you just need to answer these examples, these numbers. Okay, ayan. So let's see. Okay, so meron pa din dito. Meron na siyang natawag na reciprocal. Okay. Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng reciprocal? Kapag sinabi natin reciprocal, okay, so sa module ito, meron siya siyang lesson 14. Kapag sinabi natin reciprocal, siya naman yung binabaliktad, yung kabaliktaran. Okay? Okay, so paano ba yon? So let's see. Hanapin natin. Ito, reciprocal. Okay? Kapag sinabi ng reciprocal, ito lang yung kabaliktaran. Okay? So, halimbawa, ito ay finding the missing na reciprocal na yan. Okay. Okay, balikan natin. So, paano ba yung reciprocal? Kasi naanuhan tayo. Kaya, ito din sabi dyan na showing that multiplying a fraction by its reciprocal is equal to 1. So, paano ba yun? When we say reciprocal, it is the invert of the given fraction of the given number. So, halimbawa, the given number is 2 over 3. Okay? Ang reciprocal niyan ay 3 over 2. That is what we call reciprocal. Okay? So, reciprocal, yung kabaliktaran. Okay? So, let's say 15 over 8. So, ang reciprocal niya ay 8 over 15. Okay? Paano naman pag whole number? So, let's say, what about 15? Ano reciprocal niyan? Ang reciprocal niyan ay 1 over 15. Bakit? Kasi di ba ang 15, okay, pakita ulit natin. Hindi ko nakita sa screen. So, paano halimbawa kung whole number naman? So, let's say 38. Whole number 38. So, ano reciprocal niya? The reciprocal of that will be 1 over 38. Bakit naging 1 over 38? Kasi, remember, kapag yan yung whole number, kung gawin mo siyang fraction, kailangan meron siyang denominator. So, ang denominator niya, over 1. Reciprocal nga babalik rin mo So, 1 over 38. Paano naman kapag mixed form? Okay, example. Mixed form. Let's say 2 and 1/3. Okay, ano yung reciprocal niya? Okay, so para ma-reciprocal mo yan, gawin mo munang improper. So, times, and then add. 3 times 2, you have 6 plus 1, 7. So, your number is 7 over 3. Ano ang reciprocal niya? Ang reciprocal niya ay 3 over 7. Okay, so ganun muna. If you are given with a mixed form. Okay, pag mixed form, gagawing improper, saka kukunin ang reciprocal. Yan. As you can see, sabi sa ating lesson, showing that multiplying a fraction by its reciprocal is equal to 1. Okay, paano ba nangyari yun? Ipakita natin. So, let's say, ang given natin ay 1/3. Remember, ang sabi sa atin ay multiplying, solving, or showing that multiplying a fraction by its reciprocal is equal to 1. So, i-multiply daw natin to, yung given number, sa kanyang reciprocal. So, times 3/1. Kapag multiply mo yan, 1 times 3, 3, 3 times 1, 3. Any number or any fraction na pareho ang numerator at denominator, that is equivalent to 1. Kahit i-divide mo yan na 3 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. Tapos, so 1 yan, 1 lang. Okay, another example. Let's say 5/8 times its reciprocal, 8/5. Multiply mo lang, 5 times 8, that's 40. 8 times 5, still that's 40. Pareho nito at pareho nito, pareho ang numerator at denominator, equivalent to 1. Okay? So, ganun. So, yan ang ibig sabihin na showing that multiplying a fraction by its reciprocal is equal to 1. Yan yung nandyan. Okay? So, ito yan, oh. Ito din yung kanyang example, oh. Diba? 1/3 times 3/1 equals 3/3 equals 1. Okay? Reciprocal yon. Or, ang sabi na, multiplicative inverse. Diba? Kapag yung yung number na yun, binaliktad mo lang. Okay? So, parang dito, oh, give the reciprocal. Diba? O, ano yan? O, ito naman, i-multiply mo itong sa number 4. Ito, i-multiply mo muna siya bago mo siya i-reciprocal. Ito, you get the reciprocal. This one, para may reciprocal mo siya, kunin mo muna yung mixed form. Diba? Bago mo siya kunin na bago mo kunin yung kanyang reciprocal. Example. So, sagutan natin, ha? So, 7/9. The reciprocal niyan ay what happened? Sorry. Okay. Filterin mo lang. 9/7. Okay. Gawin natin dito. So, 7/9. Filterin mo lang. 9/7. Okay. And then, ito naman, yung 3 and 9 and 1. 3 and 1/9. So, ganun din. 3 and 1/9. Multiply. And then add. Okay. 9 times 3. We have 27 plus 1. 28/9. And then just get the reciprocal. 9/28. Okay? Yan yung kanyang reciprocal. So, that's it. So, yan lang yung lesson natin. Sana meron dobling lesson dito sa module 8. So, just finish. Okay? Yan yun. Meron pa ba? Okay. So, dito naman. Ayan, no? May mga nawawala. Madali na yan. So, yan, sabi na naman, you just have to get the reciprocal, di ba? Yung mga dito may nawawala sabi paano daw magiging kaya niya, no? 7/12 times blank over 7 equals 1. Kunin na reciprocal ito may 7, ito siya doon, ano nga yun nandoon sa ibabaw, yun ay siyempre 12. Okay, so that's it. So parang ganun din dito, baliktarin mo lang reciprocal. So kung may whole number, gawing fraction, and then saka gawin ng inverse. Kung mixed form, ganun pa din. Gagawin na improper. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Hope may natutunan kayo. Goodbye. Until next time. Bye-bye.